later on, I'm going to be making slime.
Oh my god!
I said that last time. I did, but I didn't record it, and it turned out an epic fail.
My.
But I got the proper ingredients because we're going to go and buy them soon. By the way, guys, if you want to make the slime, all you need
is PVA glue and Almat.
Almat and PVA glue will be in the description.
No, it won't.
And yes, it will.
No.
I'll put it in the description. Just shut up.
You never put things in the description.
Well, I will this
Put
time.
my name in the description.
Okay. So, guys, and if you want to make it colourful, even put food colouring in. I'm going to post the video. You can even put food and post in the video. Shut up. Okay. So, guys, je m'appelle Megan. Oh yeah, and if you want it to be colourful, you can even put paint in like me, or you can put in food colouring, because that's okay.
My vibe.
Sometimes I like zoom and like laugh in my videos. If this. Hi.
Mom!
Zoom it all the way.
Mom.
Hey. I don't know what I'm doing. What's the nonsense? Zoom out with my toes. Zoom out with my toes. I did it! I'll zoom in with my toes. Oh no. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to see my slime video, comment down below if you don't want to see it. See you later.